Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Couple Tries Outsmarting Police, Fails Miserably."
The couple in this Mercedes thought overspeeding in front of a cop was fun and games, until one of their tires yoinked itself out of employment.
They really think they about to get away too. What's that? C-class? E-class? What is that? Ha! Party over, huh?
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Show your hands! Get out of the car! There's another passenger? The passenger? Yeah, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Okay. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get down. Got him? Yeah.
Damn, what was the chick drop?
And what other units are out with you?
Four.
Y'all up today.
I was not driving. What are you talking about, bro?
Shut up. You're driving.
I was not driving. What are you talking about, bro?
Just keep two in town.
Hey, you all right?
It's enough to handle that.
It's all right, babe.
Let him knock me up. Hold on, I don't know yet, but right now you're detained.
I'm saying you're gonna lock me up because I wasn't driving.
Right now you're detained. Right now you're detained. Get in the car.
I live here.
Get in the car.
I live in Maywood.
Get in the car before I put you in the car.
I don't understand. That's what I'm asking.
Get in the car.
All right. I'm just asking, boss. If you guys are locking me up.
I said right now you're detained.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you're detained.
She's just scared, boss. You guys scared.
I don't blame her. Who's scared? I don't blame her. The way you want to drive, I don't blame her for being scared.
I'm not driving, boss. What are you talking about?
You do us all a favor. Shut up.
Why show you're responding to one location?
Sean, she's driving with the seats all the way back.
This isn't even it, guys. Watch what naughty Bilbo and Bimbo have to say about switching positions mid-pursuit.
You want to take the plate off?
Yeah, what does it come back to?
It's a dealership, but it's they're not using it for the lawful purpose, so it's technically fictitious.
Yeah, I would say take it off.
So I'm gonna take it off. Anybody have pliers? Or a wrench? Like a wrench?
A wrench? Yeah, I got one.
You have one?
Yeah, I got my.
I mean, I'll f***ing rip it off. I don't care.
Oh my God, bro. What the fuck? I was not driving, officer. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys, bro. I was not f***ing driving, bro. What the f***? I was not f***ing driving. Stop f***ing lying. Stop f***ing lying. I was not f***ing driving.
What was I going to say? You observed them switch?
No, we went in the circle in the park line.
When they passed?
And when they passed me, I saw him. He was all the way back with tattoos. That's why I pulled out.
Yeah, I heard that.
And then when we pulled here, she's in the driver's seat.
Okay.
I was like,
The seat's already leaned back.
the seat's all the way leaned back. He was all the way like this, leaned back driving.
Yeah.
And the person's in the passenger seat.
So you understand everything that's going on tonight, right? I guess you got scared you were eluding? Okay. What, just because you're on a permit? Okay. Just because you're under, before I talk to you, I just have to read your rights. You understand that city. Everything's on audio and video. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against the court of law. I don't understand why you guys switched when you were driving. What was the purpose of that? Is it because he doesn't have a license?
Did you guys see that he was driving?
Yes, we observed you guys when we passed you guys driving. You guys drove by us, he was driving. Your purse is also in the passenger seat and the seats also reclined back. We gave a description of the driver and it was him as he drove by. So my question is, what was the purpose of you guys switching?
He was scared.
He was scared? Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay, so she attempted to elude you. At that point, they was on 3.
Man, she gave that up easy. They ain't even have to, man. What was the point of y'all switching, man? He's saying he wasn't driving. That's why you got to split them up, man. They gonna melt like butter when they separated. But if they were together, she will follow whatever he says. She will follow whatever he says. But you separate them, she gonna melt like butter, boy. Did you observe us? Did you observe him driving or whatever? Yes, we did, man. Yes, we. Well, he was scared. All right, he was scared.
Exactly. So
Okay.
I have them both for eluding.
That is a good one.
She admitted he was driving too.
That's a good
After
one.
she was Mirandized.
Okay. She was giving Miranda,
I
right?
Mirandized her. I said, are you willing to talk? She said, yes. I said, what was the reason that you guys switched seats? She goes, well, you guys know he was driving? I was like, the officer gave the description of him as he was driving, as he attempted to stop.
Yeah.
So I go, what was the purpose of switching? She goes, he was just scared.
They seen you. Dumbass. Dumbass. Dumbass, bro.
I said, okay, perfect. Thank
All
you.
right, as long as Miranda was given,
Miranda
because
was given.
obviously the crime
Two
was
eluding charges
occurred.
in the same.
Yeah,
case to two
that's
different
real.
people.
Really?
That's
Yeah,
impressive.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
impressive.
yeah.
That's impressive.
All right, so where'd they lose the tire? Is that where the T-neck guy is sitting? T-neck's sitting all
No,
the way
it's back there.
there.
Hackensack Ave. It's
Yeah.
off the side of the road. I felt the tire. It's hot.
I saw it go. I thought it was a
can't miss
bag,
it.
and then I'm like, wait, that's a tire.
Yeah.
Then I saw sparks up there. I'm like, I think I just lost
Well,
the
that's
tire.
why I asked if it was on the rim or not, and then I went up to the tire field. It was hot as shit.
One thing's for certain. Bro must have been the most dishonest baby in the labor ward.
Please, why you guys treating me like that?
We're not treating you like
guys.
anything.
You guys close the windows for one.
Okay.
And then
Can I explain why? You're screaming. I know, but can I explain something real quick? Can I explain something real quick? Okay, I'm gonna let you talk. You screaming makes you sound less intelligent. Okay, we give what. Hold on. We give what we get. You f***ed up and made a mistake. I don't understand why you just can't live with that as a man.
Did I make a mistake?
Okay? She admitted you were driving.
How did she admit if I was driving?
She admitted you were driving.
If I
and that you guys
weren't,
switched.
if I was never driving.
Okay, it also makes sense because the officer, as he was attempting to stop you, gave a description.
I did not.
Hold on.
Drive.
Can I just explain to you?
I gotta pee. Like, what the Literally, my whole ass is out. I'm in heels. You should have just stopped. That's it.
The officer who was attempting to stop you gave a description of the driver as a light-skinned male with tattoos. The seat is reclined all the way back, and her purse is on the passenger seat. She admitted you were driving, that you switched.
Boss, I never was driving.
Then
the
you gotta
car.
talk.
You guys never pulled me over.
Okay.
You guys never pulled me over because I was never driving. I was
Okay.
trying to get her to stop.
Okay.
And she didn't want to stop.
Okay.
I'm like, bro, you just have
This
a
is
permit.
exactly why you hire lawyers, and this is exactly why you go to court.
It's not that
guys are-
serious.
Frank, you guys didn't hit something in Millers?
She hit something. She hit something. After they switched.
So I must have hit a curb or something.
Yeah. All right. Nice job, guys. Let's get another one.
Great job.
Tow truck knows where it is. I already told him. Yeah.
You guys
No, it is.
said I was
It is.
detained, right? You guys put me in the back of in the cop car.
Yeah.
I understand. I'm
Yep.
in the fucking passenger seat,
Yep.
and she's speeding,
Yep.
and she didn't pull over.
Yep.
You guys still detained me.
Yeah.
You guys detained me,
That's
and
legal.
then said,
That's
and now
legal.
I'm arrested.
But that's legal. That's not illegal.
You know what? He arrested me. You never detained me.
Detained
You lied to me.
No, detained isn't handcuffs. Just because handcuffs are on
I'm
you.
not trying to be a douchebag,
You're
bro,
not.
but
You're not.
I was never driving.
I'm explaining.
And you guys.
I understand that, but I'm explaining to you. Detained, okay? Detained is in handcuffs. You're not free to leave. It could be not in handcuffs, or it can be in handcuffs. Okay? You're under arrest based off of her statement that you were driving.
Her statement
we
of
gave
who?
a description. Your girl. Your
Do
girl.
not say that, bro.
Okay, it's on. Listen, it's on camera. She said it.
No,
I'm just like, okay, no problem. So if you're calling me a liar,
You probably made her say something that she didn't. 'Cause
Not a problem at all. I got no problem.
I was never driving.
Okay.
So what do you
I have
mean,
no
bro?
problem.
What do you?
I have no problem.
She never said that because I was not driving.
Request the video with your lawyer. Get a good one.
What do you mean?
Where are you guys going?
Home.
Well, you guys came back. I know. You're.
Ooh. He just fried him, man. He said, request a video with your lawyer. Get a good one. That's one of those, you got to make that stink face. It's like, oh, wow. He's cooked, fried, extra crispy. Your girl ratted on you. Like, it's remember, I said if they were together, she will follow his lead. But if you separate them, she gonna spill the beans. She gonna melt like butter. Okay? They both in trouble, but you got a better chance of getting more information out of her. You know what I'm saying? And he's a piece of crap anyway, because he trying to spin it and put it on his girl. He's like, well, I was never driving. She was speeding, and I was trying to tell her to slow down. Cut the bullshit. She already told us what was up, and we seen you driving. He said, request a video footage. He said, request a video footage with your lawyer. Get a good one. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know he had to be sitting back in that car like, sick. He's sick. Oh man. That cop right there, he a good one, boy.
Maywood? Okay. At what point did you guys decide to switch? Were you ready were you on the highway?
It just happened so fast.
But was it before or after your tire was blown out? After it was? And then what, he just wanted to change with you, or how did that exactly go down? This is the first I've had somebody change driving.
He just switched.
Did he ask you to switch, or did you offer to switch?
I offered.
So you said, and there's a reason why you offered?
Yeah, of course, that's my man. And I don't want him to get in trouble.
The male was charged with eluding while the female was charged with hindering apprehension. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click.
She look crazy as hell. Look at it. Oh boy. They ended to win it. At least she was honest though. And I actually believe that she offered. I believe that. You know. Oh, no wonder. She's from the Bronx, man. I'm like, yo, she look crazy Hispanic joint, man. She from the Bronx, man, New York, man. I'm like, okay. That makes sense, man. Where you from? Let me see where you from. Maywood. Oh, so that's Jersey. You from Jersey. You got him a little Bronx joint. Okay. Little Bronx joint. Little eater. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. It makes sense. I believe that story. She telling the truth. She ride or die, man. You know what I'm saying? Listen, them Bronx chicks, man, especially the Latinas, I'm telling you, they not wrapped too tight. Trying to tell you. Listen, I know, boy. You know, they but they loyal though. They'll be loyal, man. They be loyal, man. I believe her story. Anyway, cops did a good job, man. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.